How you doing? I'm Trent Sanders here on the infamous Living Realm Network. Thank you so much for being with me right now. Once again, we won, we cultivating, we rolling. Life is a much better place when you cultivate yourself. Anyway, let's get right down into it. Divine powers are always working for us because we're trying to do right. Well, I'm out here. It's a beautiful day. As you can see, I love the tree. The tree is my very best friend. My very best friend. Anyway, I got a very interesting topic. I know you're gonna love it. I know it's gonna really help you think bigger because I know you have a high power mentality. So I definitely want to aid you in your thinking process so that your life can become a success. Okay? So with that said, let me get right down into it. Thinking bigger than the current situation. Now, Trennis, why is this effective for me? This is effective because this will build up your belief system. This will help you go forward. See, a lot of times some people get trapped where they are, where they're at, simply because, you know, they thought of a place that they wanted to be, and then they end up becoming or being at the place that they wanted to be, and then that's all they needed, that's all they wanted, you know, and so that's where they stopped at. However, if you're always thinking bigger than where you want to go, or where you currently are, you'll always continue to go forward. You know, you just always got to set up something, you know, in your mind that helps you go forward. Like, for instance, like I wouldn't necessarily say this because I don't want a big house or anything, but you would say something like, you know, I want a nice size house. Now, what is a nice size? No one knows. There's no such thing as a nice size house. It's only according to that person and, you know, what they want to live like. But a nice size house could be bigger and then bigger and then bigger and then bigger and then bigger. Or somebody who's already staying in a nice size house that is to them bigger, but they want to go in a house that's size house that is a little smaller, just a little more smaller and then smaller. Who knows what that is? Who knows what the space in the area of that house is? What I'm saying is you always want to see further than the picture that you're currently, you know, looking at. You know, you always want to see in a further direction in where you're aiming for. You understand what I'm saying? It's really absolutely okay to think bigger than where you are. That is the beauty of life, man, because nothing is kept from you in life. Nothing is, you know, out of your reach to the point that you cannot obtain it. All it takes is, you know, you set your mind on whatever it is that you want. You know, you believing in yourself, you know, for whatever it is that you want. And you just move in that direction step by step. See, a lot of people think that this stuff can happen overnight that they want, you know, and the desire for their heart, you know what I mean? And the desire for themselves and whatnot. You know, they think that this stuff can happen overnight. Like, you can just happen magically. Now, don't get me wrong, the universe is a very meticulous place. It's very articulate and it's very random. So yes, sometimes things actually do happen overnight for people for whatever it is that they desire. Like, some people can go to the bar that night and meet their dream husband or their dream wife and they have live happily ever after. I mean, that's just life. Life is random like that. But at the same time, life is very, very patient. Life is very patient, and it works with you once you realize that it is working for you, and when you can realize that you have to have patience. You know, one example I always give people when they trying to manifest stuff and they want stuff for themselves and they want to be this and they want to be that and they don't have patience. One thing I say, look, check this out. The sun, right? The sun, all throughout the day, we don't realize it, but the sun is going down. You know, the world is spinning slowly, but can you feel it? The world, technically, scientifically, is spinning, right? Absolutely, okay. So, but can you feel it? Can you feel this spin? Like, I'm supposed to be spinning right now in this video. Am I spinning? No. Why not? Because there's no rush for it. It's no rush. You know it's gonna happen. The same way the world and the universe works, it's the same way life works for every individual. You might not see it. This tree might not be turning, but it's turning with the universe. That sun might be shining right here down on us, but believe it or not, it's going down. And then when it goes down, the moon is gonna come back around. The moon probably come around this way. I don't know. But either way it go, there's gonna always be a slow but sure process. Okay? And so that same thing applies to your actual life. You have to know that it's gonna happen, because it is gonna happen. If you set your mind on it, that's what you want for yourself. Believe it or not, but this life is a magical place. It's gonna happen for you. How is it gonna happen? You don't have to worry about that. Don't worry about that. See, you want to think too much. You don't want to think too much. You don't want to overthink yourself. You don't want to think yourself to the point that you get stressed and you get on your deathbed. We all want to live long. So what we want to do is think one simple thought, one simple desire, move in a direction step by step, and just know that it's going to happen for us. And eventually we'll start seeing the pieces come like a puzzle piece. You know, you might not get all the pieces right there in order to build the vision of the puzzle that you see, but minute by minute, you'll get each piece. Minute by minute, minute by minute, minute by minute. It just takes working with it, just not giving up, just not giving up. Yeah, you might go have a bite of a sandwich, or, you know, pour you a cup of water, but you come back into it, and you do it, you do it, you do it, and do it. And piece by piece, you can start seeing the vision come together. And when you can start seeing the vision of the puzzle piece come together, you start to say, aha, I'm starting to see all the parts and how they're supposed to connect to this one large picture. Then you really start to put it together fast, because the universe, the world around you, is giving you stuff. It's throwing you stuff. You're like, here, take that, take that. That's what you need. Take that, take that, take that. And then once you keep gathering all this stuff, you're gonna know exactly what it is that you need to do next at the very end of the day. Okay? So I want you to get that down in your soul. It's okay to think bigger than where you are. It's okay to think bigger than your current situation. Don't never let nobody tell you you can't think bigger than where you are. You know, just know how this life out here works, which I just told you. Remember that the same thing applies to your very life. And you act on it, and you will see your life change. I guarantee you that. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe. I'm Trenton Sanderson, real down to earth, realistic information, because we're always cultivating. We're one in one, we're hand in hand in correlation, and we rolling. Divine powers are always working for us, because we're trying to do right.